Hey girl, hey, if you want to know how I got my nails from this to that in less than 10 minutes, keep watching. So let's get started. First, you'll need press-on nails, preferably melanated nails, but first you'll need press-on nails. Then you'll need a cuticle pusher, nail glue, nail file or nail drill, cuticle oil, and an alcohol wipe just to wipe off the nail debris. So now I'm pushing my cuticles back. So it looks like we went to the salon and these nails are growing from our nails. Ain't nobody gonna know they not your nails, okay? Anyways, keep pushing back your cuticles like so. So now we grab our nail drill. I honestly prefer the drill. It makes it 10 times faster, and honestly I feel like this holds the nail, makes the nail stay longer. But you can use a nail file if you would like. I've used a nail file and it still lasts long. So I'm gonna tell you a little trick at the end to make it last up to a month, okay? Because I've had these for up to a month, I believe. Yeah, and I'm gonna record how to I'm still talking. Thank God I recorded a longer piece of this, but anyways, just watch to the end. I'll give you a little secret. So right now, as you see me putting the glue, I say put a drop and a half, and then you see me placing the nail at a 45-degree angle, and that helps with air bubbles. So there's no air bubbles, and it really helps you get the nail right where it needs to be without it shuffling, it crooked or anything. Placing it at a 45-degree angle is key. Okay, so let me spill the tea. So the secret to getting your nails to last up to 1 month is not letting water touch your nails. Do not wash your hands. Do not wash anything. Let your nails dry for at least 2 hours, so the glue can adhere to the nail. That's key. I promise you, it will never fail. So here's the final look. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more.